A very warm good morning to one and all present over here. I am Patliputra from BBM second sem. Today I am here to discuss a topic from spreadsheet, that's goal 6. Goal 6 comes under data tab, and goal 6 by using goal 6 here we set a goal of total amount, and we can change the amount. Here we are having a data. Here the total amount is 4086, and now I am setting a goal of 4000. So the value will be changed by 4000, and we will set then which number should be changed so that it will be coming 4000 in total amount. So under data type there is what if analysis. We will go to analysis. In second there is goal 6. Here I selected F14 cell. There is amount is 4086 now. Now we will enter the value. So the total